In this quick video, I'll be showing you how you can collect marble in LEGO Fortnite. First of all, you'll need to find yourself a cave, such as these over here on the map. Run into them with an upgraded axe, the forest axe, which you can craft at a crafting table. This one over here, not the default forest axe, but the green one, which is the uncommon one, using bone and wooden rod. When you get in there, you'll find knotroot, and simply by mining up that curvy, bendy wood from the walls, oftentimes covered in green spots, you'll land up with a whole bunch of knotroot. With this, we can head back to our base where we have a lumber mill. What we need to do is craft the upgraded pickaxe using knotroot. So we need 3 knotroot rods and bones. Entering the lumber mill, we can select knotroot rod, change the recipe, and start crafting 3 of these here. When you've crafted up 3 knotroot rods, we can enter the crafting table once more and make ourselves the upgraded pickaxe. After crafting it and taking it in our inventory, make sure to equip it in your hotbar, and we'll need to head back to the cave where we can then find marble. Just a quick note before we actually head anywhere, as far as I understand, marble can only be found inside of grassland caves, and you can tell which biome you're in by checking the bottom left-hand corner of your map. So these 2 caves here are inside of the same greeny shade area, so they are inside of grasslands, as I am right now. You may be able to find it in different caves, but as far as I understand, it's only grassland caves, and of course, only if you have that upgraded pickaxe or one of a higher level. Heading all the way back to a cave that we previously entered and heading into it, this time with our new pickaxe, we should be able to run around until we find a new kind of rock, being these ones here. A lot of the time they're difficult to reach, but assuming you build up to them or find your way up otherwise, we can attack them using our new pickaxe and only our new pickaxe, where shortly after will be dropped a whole bunch of marble. It's definitely worthwhile bringing at least one of these pickaxes in, if not 2, to collect as much as possible, as finding your way back to a cave can be a bit annoying if you're far away. There's tons of the stuff available, so it's also a good idea to bring yourself some wood, otherwise you can collect some down here in order to build our way up to more rock. Building a staircase, for example, we should be able to more easily get our way towards these and collect them. There you have it. Now we'll head our way out of the cave and back to our base, where once inside, we can craft ourselves a Stonebreaker using knotroot and marble, although placing it inside, so maybe here, there we go. Using this, we can refine granite and marble into different slabs of different kinds. Anyways, that's really about it for this quick guide. Hopefully now you know how to get and use marble in LEGO Fortnite. Thank you for watching. My name is Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!